Yo, what is going on, everyone? So today's video, I'm actually gonna be finding a winner product live in under 60 seconds. Literally, I'm gonna jump on my computer and show you the steps that I would take to find a winner product. And sometimes for beginners, it might take weeks to find a winner, but I'm gonna show you how easy it is just by using these two tools. Now, these tools are not affiliated with my channel at all. It's literally tools that I just think is super helpful for me to find winner products, and I wanted to share it with you. If you get value from this video, make sure you hit that like button. Just do it right now so you don't forget, and also hit that subscribe button for tons of value coming soon. So with that, let's get into the video. Now, before we get into the strategy, here is an overview of the key characteristics to look for in a product to ensure its success in generating a substantial revenue online. Okay, this is just an overview of what a winner product should consist of and the characteristics that you should look for in products that you want to sell online. It's very important that you put yourself in your customer's shoes. Okay, I can't stress this enough. Consider whether someone would buy the product if they saw it on social media. Imagine you are scrolling on TikTok, scrolling on Instagram, scrolling on Facebook, and you see your ad, right? Ask yourself, would someone actually buy from this ad? Would someone actually want this product? A lot of you guys won't even sell the product to your mom. So why in the world would someone buy it from your store? You need to actually ask yourself that. Now, if the product solves a customer's problem or makes them feel special, confident, or happy, that's a really good sign that it could be a product that works. And all you need to do is tap into that emotion. You can see the most successful dropshipping products out there, like for example, the ab stimulator or the slushy cup or any of those products that just did millions of dollars in sales, all solved a problem or made the customer feel, cool or special, or, just overall were a product that did something for the customer or made them feel in a certain way. Now, the formula for success is product, website, and viral marketing. Those are the three components that you need to be successful with Shopify. I have a full video on my channel that breaks down these in detail, so I would recommend you watch this after this one, but keep watching. But these are three very important things you must have in order to succeed with dropshipping. Now, remember that it might not work on your first try. Even if your first product does not work, does not mean you should give up. It took me 10 products to find my first winner. Of course, I didn't know what I was doing back then, and I made a lot of mistakes that I hope to help you with and to avoid along your dropshipping journey. A lot of people think that they can figure it out on their own without getting help from a coach or mentor, and that was me back then. And unfortunately, I learned the hard way, so I'm glad you guys are on this channel and getting value so you don't have to make the same mistakes. And by the way, if you do want to join my private community and be personally mentored by me each step of the way so I can help you build a highly successful dropshipping business, the link to apply is going to be right in the first link in the description. Now, here are some of the characteristics of a winner product. And these are things that took me years to understand and learn, so I'm just gonna give you to you for free, which is absolutely insane. So a few characteristics of a winner product is obviously good content from other influencers. If you look up that product on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, you should be able to see a lot of other videos on that product. So later on, you can use those videos as advertisements. The second important thing is a passionate and money spending audience. Do not try to sell, let's say, kids' toys unless you're targeting moms, right? Because moms have the money, they're very passionate about their kids. But overall, you wanna make sure you sell a product that has a passionate audience back behind it. An audience that actually cares for that particular product, so you can actually advertise it to them and they will give you big bucks for that product. A few examples of passionate audiences might be mothers, might be people that are struggling with a certain thing that hurts them. High perceived value is also something that I really want in a product, meaning when you look at it, it needs to look expensive, or at least the price that you want to sell it at. So if you want to sell a product for $30, it's got to look like a $40 or $50 product in order to sell it for $30, because it's got to look like a deal to the customer. And lastly, uniqueness. We're going to go over this in just a sec, but most importantly, does it scream, wow, this is awesome, this is so cool, I need this. Your product needs to scream wow in order for it to really be able to sell like crazy. Now, something to avoid is saturation and competition, okay? A lot of you guys are selling products that everyone else is selling. And the key to really become a 7-figure dropshipper is by avoiding these type of things. You want to sell a product that's not easily found in stores, not easily found on Amazon, not easily found at the 99-cent store, and especially products that everyone else is selling. The unique and wow factor products usually always succeed, okay? Those are the products that are my biggest winner products, and I've done over $7 million online. And really, those $7 million in sales came from only about 10 products or so. So it really does not take a lot in order to be very successful. Recently, almost every other product that I've been testing has been hitting for me just because I'm very particular on what type of products that I test. So hopefully this strategy will help you find some cool winner products that you can use in your store. Again, this is going to be in under 60 seconds. I might make an in-depth video on actually showing you some more advanced strategies. If this video gets maybe, let's say 100 likes, I will go ahead and make that video. Let's see if it does. Hit that like button if you want to see that one. But without further ado, let's get into the strategy. Okay, now it is time to actually put this strategy into action. We're going to find a winner product live, and I hope to do it in under 60 seconds with you. It's a super quick and easy strategy, and you get to learn a lot about what it takes to be a successful dropshipping owner or e-commerce owner. And it's pretty awesome. So the first thing you got to do is get the koala inspector. Koala inspector is what I use to qualify a product and to know that it's selling. The second thing that you want to do is you want to go to Google and type in myip.ms, okay, and then Shopify, just like that. Then you can click the first link, just like that, and you should see something like this. Now, what this website is it shows you the top websites, top Shopify stores in the world, okay? And it'll literally tell you all of them. As you can see, all of these stores, Fashion Nova, Gymshark, all these biggest stores are on the first page. And you can literally go on for 9,652 pages. That's how many Shopify stores there are in the world. Absolutely insane. Now you have to remember that all these stores that are making billions of dollars are all owned by someone, just like me and you. Started with a laptop, however it is, and they built their brand to the top. So learning from these websites is something I love to do. Now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna type in a word, like the, okay, we're gonna press search. Okay, and the reason why I wanna put the word the is because a lot of dropshippers put the word the, and we can find a lot of products that are actually really, really crushing it that might be from dropshippers, okay? So I literally just clicked this website, and as you can see, it's literally selling productivity tools, okay? You can dropship anything. It doesn't have to be a physical product. It can be a planner. It can be a digital journal just like this. And they're selling for around $17. Now, keep in mind, all these products did not cost them a single dollar. Okay, they probably went to Fiverr.com, and you can literally go to Fiverr, okay? Fiverr.com, and you can type in ADHD journal, okay? Oop. Okay, and as you can see, there's literally people that will create a journal for you for $15, okay? And then what you can do is you can go ahead and sell it on that website for whatever you want, right? So we're gonna actually go and we're gonna copy this URL, and then we're gonna paste it, and we wanna see how much sales they're doing, okay? And hopefully, Koala Inspector will tell us, okay? So we're gonna click on that, okay? And we're gonna go to live sales. And just like that, look how many sales are doing. 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 29 minutes ago, an hour ago, 2 hours ago. And they're selling a bunch of these products. They're absolutely crushing it. Now, this is just one example that we literally found in 30 seconds, okay? Absolutely crazy. And you can literally go through this list and you can see tons of these websites that are selling particular products, and you can actually find out from Koala Inspector how much sales that store is doing, and that can give you a great idea on if the product's doing well or not. And if it's doing well for them, then just re-engineer it and it can work for you as well. Now, to follow up on this strategy, there's a few other websites that you can use alongside Koala Inspector. Number one, TikTok made me buy this, or any of the TikTok hashtags. Just go on your TikTok app and then just type in hashtag TikTok made me buy it, or Amazon finds, or any of those hashtags that show you really cool products. then go ahead and find stores that are actually selling that product. And with Koala Inspector, you can see how much sales that particular store is doing. I want to note that it's very important to make sure that the product is actually selling right now before ahead and advertising it. I see a lot of people going ahead and advertising super saturated products, and that's why I wanted to make this video showing you how to use Koala Inspector and alongside myip.ms. Now that website is super dope because you can literally see thousands of websites that are crushing it, but sometimes it could be a little bit hard to find dropshipping stores on that platform, and that's why I use a few other websites to actually find products that could be potential winners. Another really cool strategy is actually scrolling on your Instagram feed and your TikTok feed or even Facebook feed and finding ads that have hundreds of thousands of views. If an advertiser spent thousands of dollars on that particular ad, you know that it's probably working for them. And the only way to really know is by using the Koala Inspector. Just check out their store and see how much sales it's getting by the minute, maybe by the hour. And if it's getting good amount of sales and you know it's working, and just run it for yourself. So there you go. That's how you find and know if something is a winner product in under 60 seconds. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I can go into more strategies in another one if this video does well. And please let me know if you have any questions related to helping you find a winner product in the comment section below. Until next time, peace out.